Prophecy, October 18, 2011, 9 a.m. In a vision the Lord reveals certain country or region being cleaned up. In the midst of it I hear the word former Yugoslavia. Great tragedy and trouble shall come to this geographical area shortly, unless mankind repent and turn to Jesus Christ, who reveals these prophecies in visions and dreams. Europe froze as the continent experienced some of its coldest temperatures in decades. The death toll from the weather topped 80 in mainly Eastern Europe, including former Yugoslavian countries such as Serbia, Czech Republic, Bosnia, Macedonia and Romania.